Homework helper, I need you.
Homework helper.
Anyone who does not love does not know God, because God is love. 1 John 4 verse 8.
Well, hello, my homework sheroes and my homework heroes. I am so excited because on this video, I get to answer the questions that were emailed into Fayette Christian Academy. So we have two questions. One is from a child, which I just love, and one is from an adult, and I love that as well. So let's see what these questions are. I'm going to do the question from the child first. And that question is, how do I know when a vowel makes the short or the long sound? That is a very good question. So the first thing we want to do when trying to figure out if the vowel is going to be long or short in the word, we're going to look at the last three letters. And what we're looking for are a vowel, a consonant, and a vowel, mainly E. Let's say we have the word C-A-K-E. So the last three letters are A, which is a vowel, K, consonant, and E, which is a vowel. And because you have that vowel, consonant, vowel, and that E at the end of the word, that E is going to make the vowel say its name, and its name is A. So you would have the word cake, cake. I hope I answered that question well for you. Our next question is, how does knowing how to syllabicate words help sound the words out? That is an excellent question because as long as you're reading, you will always come across words that are new to you. And so because of that, the way to do it without panicking or just skipping over the word altogether, saying big word I can't pronounce, we just take the skills that we've learned and we just sound it out. So the first thing we want to do is what? Always count the number of vowels. The vowels are going to give you a pretty good idea of the number of syllables there are in the word. So once you've counted the number of vowels, then you want to make sure that each syllable has at least one vowel in it. Once you have determined the number of syllables and each syllable has at least one vowel, then you go through and you just sound out each syllable and slowly put those syllables together. Now, even if you don't say the word 100% correctly, it will give you a very good idea of what that word is. I hope that answered your question. And if not, please feel free to email back for a simpler explanation or just to let us know that I get it now. That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you. And as always, remember, we are not here to be average. We are here to be awesome. Remember to send your questions in to homeworkhelper@edu@FayetteChristianAcademy.com and we will answer those questions for you.
For more in-depth videos, like and subscribe to FCA's YouTube channel to support the Homework Helper, and be sure to turn on your notifications to catch the next episode.